Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the passive income. Okay, if you are a student or programmer, so if you want to make passive income, so without working, once you upload the photo, you will be able to make money online for a lifetime without putting the effort. Okay, so one time only you will be able to create it. You can earn lifetime. So you can see here, you can if you have a camera, you can go and somewhere else the place is good, you will be able to get the photography and you can upload and earn money. Other hand, if you are good at Illustrator or Photoshop, you can make a vector images. So I'm going to searching for a background. You can just check it. There are plenty of background images, templates are there. Yeah, this some emoji. This emoji also, the person who uploaded, they could earn money online. So okay, this kind of, this is not that much of hard. This also thing making. Okay, so they are earning money. So here the templates also there. This template you can just edit and put it. Someone downloaded, you will be able to make money online. Okay, so here another one. I'm going to put it the flyer, visiting card or business card. If you are looking for a business card templates, there are plenty of business cards templates are there. Okay? This kind of a simple design. Okay, this simple design. These are the design you will be able to upload on the Shutterstock. You will be able to make money on this is not a, that much of a hard. Just here you can just design this all the thing. Very simple designs. Okay, you can just design and upload it. You will be able to make money online. Okay, very simple designs are there. Okay, yeah. To download, if you are uploaded, you will be able to make money online. This is just a text. This text also people are buying. This just a text web design is simple. So that's you just put it to the background, just a text. That's it. People will able to edit this text, and we can, if they download it, we can download. So here these are templates are very attractive templates. So you can see it. People are definitely downloaded. They will be able to make money online. You will be able to make money. So these are the visiting cards you will be able to upload and to Shutterstock, and you will be able to make money. Okay. Not this. You can add the posters. These are basic graphic designing. Yeah. Now you can see the simple poster designs. Okay, these are simple posters. You can generate the images. You can go to the you can pick up the free images somewhere else from the internet. So you can put it like this, and here you have to make the text only. Okay, they upload it, earn money on that. So if you are this kind of photo, you will be able to upload more than 1,000 monthly. You can earning monthly passive income. This is not that much of hard. That art works also very simple. They put into one image as a background. After that drawn the oval shape. Inside the oval shape, they return something else. That's the thing they did. Okay, they select the, here they are placed on the background image. On the background image, they drawn the oval shape. Inside the oval shape, they are written, but they are earning money. This is how we have to make the templates earning. This is very simple. So we are thinking about this is these are the this how we can make money on it. This is true. We are not interested. Some other people are interested in this kind of artworks. While searching the internet, if they interested, there are internet users. There are million of internet users down. The internet is the world biggest earning platform. So when the people are surfing internet, if they interested your photo, they definitely buy it. Okay, the Shutterstock, they are giving the small cost. Okay, so that they are easily buy. Okay, so the if your image continuously get uploaded up continuously downloaded, Shutterstock promoted your profile to all the people, so your sales will be increased day by day, so that you have to try out these other things, very important stuff, that you will be able to make money on, and while you sleeping out as well. Okay, you will be able to make money on. Okay, these are the very good designs here. Okay, these are the things you have to earn money on. So the another one is the fly event, birthday cards. Here you are day by day you are creating the card design, all the things. Okay, so once you've done the design, that is after that there is no point. After you design your birthday card to the customer, after that no point. So what you're going to do is that designing, you just you edit something else and upload it here. Okay, so here you will be able to lifetime money. Here it's a birthday cards. There is nothing. They just put into the text, and we they some simple background design. It's a simple background design. Okay, this one we have. Okay, this is simple. So already they are this icon on the everything on internet. They just add the text and upload on Shutterstock. They will be able to make money on that. Very simple. Okay, these are the design. You will be able to make money online via Shutterstock. Shutterstock is the very best platform. You try out this. Okay, so that you will be able to make good earnings. Okay, so here not only this, there are you can earn birthday card, flyer design, flyers. These flyers are, you can see, this is not that much of hard flyers. They are on. This is not this is a small design. That is not a hard design. This is small design, but they could earn money here. You can see here. They just put the images and here text. The person they need some other designs like so the another thing is we have a Facebook post. This nowadays are trending. Those who are not familiar in Photoshop, they go here and getting one image and then they upload it. Here you can see it. This just they are only the text only there. Here, if you like, this is some here some of the places only they written some text only, but they will be able to make money on that. Very simple. You try out look like this way. You will be able to make money online. Okay, this is how we have make money online on Shutterstock. Thank you for watching.